Peace, everybody. It's the grand scheme of crypto. First and foremost, I am not a financial advisor, and nothing said here is financial advice. It's for entertainment purposes only. Let's jump right into it. So I want to bring you guys a quick breakdown of this article here talking about a Bitcoin Ponzi called Africrypt. So angel investor pays off victims of alleged Bitcoin Ponzi. Africrypt, a private investigator PI chasing brothers behind the alleged billion-dollar Bitcoin exit scam. Africrypt hopes they'll still serve jail time despite some investors signing away litigation rights. Dubai-based Pinitan project management reportedly stipulated an end to potential prosecution in a remittance agreement with around 200 Africrypt investors. As many as 95% of users who lost funds have accepted the terms with the little-known firm, which has reportedly processed around 12.5 million in claims from Africrypt investors so far. But private investigator Sean Pierce, who represents around 35 investors, says he's still keen for Raiz and Amir Kaji to face prosecution. We are pushing for the brothers to be charged for fraud, theft, possibly money laundering. They stated that they were hacked, and we have proof that they were not. Their intent was to defraud and to steal. As photos previously reported, the fresh-faced brothers fled South Africa last April after claiming their crypto investment firm had been hacked for all its crypto. Just 18 and 21 at the time, Raiz and Amir reportedly left contributors out of pocket by as much as 69,000 BTC, worth $3.2 billion, worth $3.6 billion at the time. However, a lawyer for both brothers valued the missing money much lower at $5 million. Still, the brothers face 10 and 15 years in prison if convicted, according to Pierce. So some Africrypt contributors have received refunds from a surprise benefactor, but others have not. So the mysterious firm with unknown directors called Pinitan stepped forward in November, just before the brothers were due to testify in front of liquidators in the virtual hearing. The hearing was indefinitely suspended after Pinitan offered to pay back investors. The firm agreed to swallow the debt to acquire an Africrypt's proprietary technology. Nevertheless, Africrypt's owners remain at large, claiming to be dodging undesirables who paid into their fund. I have a little video here.
These two youngsters, Raiz and Amir Kaji, and their cryptocurrency business had stolen 54 billion.
So it's just a video of, I think he's talking with the private investigator right there and kind of going into more information about the case. I mean, about the alleged theft or fraud. So they remain at large. Initially founded in 2019, Africrypt represented itself as one of Africa's most successful crypto ventures. The brothers purportedly used AI to leverage client funds in crypto, offering a healthy return on investment. As June, shortly after fleeing, one of the brothers told the Wall Street Journal that the pair managed money for some very dangerous people from an unknown location. He also disputed the size of Africrypt's assets under management. They claimed to WSJ that Africrypt controlled just 200 million, far below the 3 billion plus figure cited in media reports. Last month, the pair's attorney told reporters the nature of Africrypt purported hack would make it hard to prove to prosecutors. Signs point to a classic Ponzi. They were thought to have leveraged investor cash to fund a lavish lifestyle, including renting a Swiss home in the upmarket Zimbabwe resort. Prices for the properties in the wealthy community regularly exceeded $1 million. Reports last year also suggested the brothers enjoyed fast cars, exotic vacation, and designer clothes. They stunting out there. It's worth noting that some in the crypto community have also questioned the true value of Africrypt's missing funds. So even the cryptography expert couldn't find the missing 69,000 BTC. In any case, it's unclear So I mean, always do your own research. I'm not sure. This is all alleged, by the way. This is all alleged. So there's no telling, what really happened in this this hack here. But some people think it was all a scam by these two brothers here, and just to pretty much sort of get some money. But with crypto, it could have been, but like I said, these guys just could have, like I said, just could have made that money just off of the gains that they were making themselves, or off of the gains that they made off of that money. They don't, you can't just automatically assume that they just stole the money. With crypto, lots of money can be made in crypto at any point in time. So not picking sides, but just putting that out there. And just always do your own research with these crypto projects. Always do your own research, and only invest what you can afford to lose. You know what I'm saying? That's the best way to stay safe. And also try your best to be a part of the project. If you're going to invest, make sure it's a vetted project. Make sure it's backed by people that are known throughout the cryptocurrency space, are vetted themselves. Make sure it's audited. There are many things you can do to make sure that a crypto project is as sound as it can possibly be before you invest. So that's one thing to always keep in mind too. So I do apologize to the victims here. I don't apologize, but I am sad for their loss, and I just want them to remember that money is spiritual. I'll always preach this message to everybody, that money is spiritual. So try to maintain a money mindset and a healthy mindset about money, and money will always find you, and you shall always find it. Things happen in life, but the things that matter are our health and our true wealth and our happiness. And our true wealth are things like our health, like our happiness, our well-being, and mental health, mental stability, and mental health. Those are the important things. Family, things that really matter, and things that that we go to bed thinking about, and things that we say I love you to every night, things like that. So try to remember that money can always be attained again. And that's it for this one, guys. If you want to stay up to date on news like this, and stay up to date on latest Ponzi's, get tips on how to avoid and how to vet crypto projects, how to avoid, scams, or how to try your best to avoid scams and getting your money stolen, then make sure you check out my Patreon. I do my best to provide you guys with all the knowledge that I have gained throughout my crypto journey, and hopefully it helps you guys. And I'm doing my best to kind of serve it out on crypto YouTube as well. So, it's your grand scheme of crypto. I'm out. Peace.